So if you've been following our channel, it's been nothing but Cybertruck, Cybertruck, Cybertruck. And you know what? Today it's something totally different. Let's share a video on a Model S Plaid that has a lot of interesting customizations done to it, not only by t-sportline. Jumping right into it, how could we not pay attention? How could we possibly ignore these massive front brakes that have been upgraded on this Plaid, as well as on the rear? And this customer paid all the money to have the Tesla track spec program installed on his Model S Plaid, which includes these very aggressive track-inspired front and rear brakes. And they've also unlocked the computer so that this car could actually do 200 miles an hour. So why did he come to us? Well, twofold. Number one, he plans to track his car at times, but he also wanted to have the best braking abilities while driving around on the streets and on the highway. So that's why he did that package. Now, when you're on the track or on the highways or doing some long distance driving, the whole front end of your Model S, and in fact, the whole car, is very susceptible to road rash and rock chips and things that could just damage this beautiful midnight silver metallic multi-coat paint. So as you can probably not see, but we did go ahead and install PPF, paint protection film, specifically our house brand T-Max, on the complete exterior of this Model S. And it is designed to preserve and lock in and always shine and look brand new, but protect the paint from road rash and rock chips and door dings and things like that. Now, this film is not your average type of PPF film. It comes with a 10-year warranty, it has self-healing properties, and is really a must, I think, for any car, because, you know, I'm a Model S owner. I did a video a while back about our DIY PPF kits on the high wear areas. Well, you know what? I really regret initially not doing the whole car, which is what I shared in that video, because with the shape of it and with the kind of like wider rear quarter panels and the way things just get kicked up when you're either on the track or on the highway or on the road, it's gonna eat away at your paint. And protecting the complete exterior with PPF takes care of that. Now, what else? Well, this gentleman had a vision. He said, you know what? The exterior color's perfect. I'm happy with the wheels, and I wanted the upgraded performance from Tesla, but I just don't like the interior. It's just not there for me. And we had a long conversation, and at the end he basically said, I want a really nice, high quality grade leather interior package. I'm a big fan of Bentley leather interiors, and let's look into that. And that's exactly what we did. The leather is called Market Tan, and it's very popular within the Bentley community. It's a beautiful color, as you could see. It's got all those like Ferrari tan saddle aspects, but with a little kind of a hint of, I think, orange is what I see in there. Anyway, Market Tan, midnight silver metallic exterior, quite special. The rest of the interior is standard, and you know what? It actually flowed quite nicely. The sportiness of the matte carbon fiber interior decor works well with the exterior and actually works very well with the Market Tan. We reupholstered the front and rear seats, the lower dash, the center console, the armrest, and the curved door inserts. Not as extensive as we've done in the past, meaning there's no signature diamond quilting on the inserts. We did not reupholster the full door. This is what we call phase one, and you know what? It gets the job done. It is a true color change, a really nice improvement to the interior on a Model S or even on a Model X. These services are exclusively offered at our service center in Los Angeles, California, and it's something that we're quite proud of. Anyway, I'd love to hear some comments below about the color of this interior. Do you think it's a nice complement to the exterior color? Should it have been a different color? Again, I love hearing your comments below. And as always, if you love our content and you want to see more Model S customizations, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, we have a lot more content coming your way soon.